This is the 2015 Mercedes-Benz ML350. The transfer case fluid change. First thing, lose this fuel plug, okay? And then, once it's loose, leave it on for now, then lose the drain plug, okay? Use this hex 8. All right, the size is hex 8, number 8. To lose that, all right, don't use the 3/8. Some of them, yeah, you can use 3/8, but I prefer this, okay? Once you drain that, all right, lose this one, then once you drain that later, and fill from the fuel plug until it's overflow, just like that. Then you know you got enough there, okay? That's it. It's a very simple job, but gotta do it every 5-6 years, 50-60,000 miles, okay? It's good for your car anyway. All right, that's how it goes. Here we go. Now we lose the drain plug. Here we go. All right, and the fill with the, basically is the transmission fluid too. Use the Titan ATF 4134 to pump it in later, okay? So once it's drained, then close the drain plug and fill it from the fill plug. That's how it goes. All right, thanks for watching.